Subscribe to Smart Tech channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates from us.
Yesterday Xiaomi official staff Fancy Explosion accidentally exposed the Millet MIX3 mobile phone. On the exposure map, there are many Millet Mix series of mobile phones. This is really a place of the renminbi. In the picture, the mobile phone on the left side is the most recent exposure of the Millet MIX3. This should be the full surface screen of the mechanical structure, with outstanding color and quality. In addition, on Weibo, some netizens directly exposed the front view of Xiaomi MIX3. The screen accounted for a very high proportion. The chin and forehead were almost the same width, and the screen ratio of FineX was even higher. In addition, Xiaomi MIX23 also has a dedicated small love button for better human-computer interaction function, bringing more intelligent AI operation to Xiaomi users. In terms of configuration, the performance of Xiaomi 9 is undoubtedly the Qualcomm 845 processor, and the price is said to be around 3,999 yuan. How? Do you like it?